You can expect a lot from the 2021 Volvo XC90. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, heated steering wheel, turn signal indicator mirrors, and leather upholstery. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.